So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how much 1,000 Manta will be worth by 2025. Please understand that this is not financial advice, and as well, be sure to do your own research before jumping into any crypto investment. At the time of recording this video, Manta is trading at $3.20 per coin with a market cap of around $840 million. Now, if you decide to buy 1,000 tokens at its current price, you'll be sure to spend approximately $3,200. Manta was launched in 2023, even though its token went live in January 2024. There has been a signal of recent price activities on the token, which is quite positive for those looking into the coin's potential. Interestingly, Manta has witnessed an all-time low price of $2.05, and you can imagine the cost of purchasing 1,000 Manta at that price would have been $2,050. Buying the token at that time and getting it out at its current price would have made you $1,020 in profit. Now, what is exciting is that there are several price predictions that have been given on Manta and its potential in 2025. I have seen some crypto analysts predict $3.80 to $4.20, and at these prices, 1,000 Manta would be worth about $3,270 to $4,200. What remains to be seen is if the price of the token will get there anytime soon. Conversely, another position of some crypto analysts is that the token will grow up to $5, and by then, we're looking at a total portfolio value of about $5,000. There are others, too, who have stayed on the fact that in 2024, the token will only experience a max growth of about 55% from its own current price. This suggests a maximum price prediction of about $4.76. If Manta's price grows to become $3.80, a 1,000 Manta portfolio would be worth $3,800. And that's a pretty good investment if you ask me. And if this happens, it'll be over 24% growth from its current price. How about the token's price growing to between $4.20? This will leave us with a Manta portfolio of $4,200, which for real is a growth of 38% in 1 year and would have delivered a profit of about $1,130. Now, if we also consider that the price prediction at $4.76 holding a 1,000 Manta bag will be worth $4,760. That is about $1,700 increase from your entry point if you purchase the token at the current price. And if you hold this 1,000 Manta bag when the price gets to $5, according to the maximum predicted price outcome, your portfolio will be worth $5,000. And again, that is about $2,000 in profit. Based on the current data, Manta has a market cap of about $840 million and also a circulating supply of about 251 million tokens and a max supply of 1 billion Manta. Its circulating supply is about 25% of its total supply already, and what this means is that there is still a whole lot of Manta tokens to be released into the market over time. To reach the total supply, we will be looking at a steady growth of a little bit over 4 times its current supply to max out its current market price cap. I honestly expect that the coin can still reach a market cap of about $2.25 billion, which is a bit over 3 times its current market cap, and this is also approximately a 3x move. The coin is in the same league of small cap coins with a market cap that is below $1 billion. Interestingly, they can be highly volatile, but also tenders an opportunity for higher reward. Now, as a result, the maximum price prediction that can hold for Manta is simply a little bit over 2x its current price. Hence, we're looking at predictions around $8.5 to $9 for Manta or more, depending on market dynamics. Your portfolio of 1,000 Manta would be worth about $8,500 to $9,000. I really cannot say, but there are so many surprises that can erupt in the market during a bull run. And we are sure to see one happen soon. One thing is certain, to make the most of the Manta market, the best insight is to look for a meaningful market dip as your buy entry. And from there, the coin can jump over time to a higher price. From the current price level, perhaps the first price level we can look at is a return to the all-time high value of about $3.84. Yes, From the current price, it would be a mere increase of about 78 cents on a dollar, and as such, your portfolio would not be more than $3,840 from a position you buy with $3,200. This provides a significant gain of $640, which is good enough unless you want greed to become a factor. And of course, I don't expect Manta to find its last stop at $3.84. I still look forward to a further move from there. There is still an inviolable price level for grabs at $4.20 as adoption increases, and setting a new all-time high at that price will go a long way to attract FOMO from many investors and the late adopters who have the coin on their watch list. There will be several opportunities to buy the dip and bring in more gains at each price level, even as the coin rises higher and higher. At $4.20, you'd be up in profits in excess of $1,170. Another significant price level is set at about $4.76. If Manta continues in its growth trajectory, as I have witnessed against other tokens, we may quickly be going on to a Manta portfolio value of $4,760 with just 1,000 Manta. And this will be more than 50% of your initial capital. Perhaps simply to say that you would have made a profit of $1,680. You can expect a retrace at this level, and what is advisable to do is to likely sell the profit and then buy again so you can maximize the dip. Interestingly, if Manta can get to this price before 2024 pans out, which is very possible, the potential of getting to $5 and in the long term, $8.50 is possible. The sentiments in the market are quite positive, and people are pretty much bullish on the outcomes of several tokens, and Manta cannot be left out of the loop. And yes, we can begin to prepare for the deluge of surprises that will shake the market, and Manta will most likely be among the tokens that will bring a big grin to the face of investors in the next bull run. Going away from all that has been discussed earlier. The Manta price will be influenced by the token's core utility, and I want to quickly talk about what the ecosystem is about and what you should likely expect between now and 2025. Manta Network is an emerging player in the modular blockchain environment, specifically designed for zero-knowledge application development. It is made up of two integral parts, Manta Pacific and Manta Atlantic. Manta Pacific is a new Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem designed specifically for EVM-native ZK apps. It offers a scalable and cost-effective environment for deploying ZK applications, mostly through Solidity. Manta Atlantic functions as a ZK Layer 1 chain on the top of Polkadot, concentrating on programmable identities and credentials. Manta Network is a combination of cutting-edge technologies. Manta Pacific takes advantage of Celestia's data availability and ZK EVM's scalability to provide a high-performance infrastructure with low transaction costs. This enables the seamless development and deployment of ZK applications, which is supported by Manta's universal circuits and a developer-centric approach. In contrast, Manta Atlantic provides a decentralized, fast ZK-L1 chain based on ZK compliance credentials to ensure smooth cryptographic compatibility. I long to see the impacts of its interesting core utility in the next 1 year from now. And that's all I have for you today. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.